Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Manne, lecturer in Electrical Department from Dr. M.S. Gosavi Polytechnic, Nashik. In this video, we will discuss about types of connection. When there are two or more electrical devices present in a circuit with an energy source, then they can be connected in series connection or in parallel connection. Now we will see series connection in detail. When two or more resistors are said to be connected in series combination or apply some potential difference applied across it, then same current passes through it. Then this is called as series connection. For series connection, the voltage applied across each individual resistances are different. The resistance connected should be simple resistances or bulbs or heating elements or other devices as shown in second figure. Here in first figure, the three resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. From that figure, we will see equivalent resistance connected in series combination. According to Ohm's law, the voltage drop V is equals to current flowing through that conductor into resistance across it, where I is the current in ampere and R is the resistance in ohm. According to that equation, we will find the voltage drop across each individual resistances. First, the voltage drop across R1 will be I into R1. The voltage drop across R2 will be I into R2. The voltage drop across R3 will be I into R3. The sum of these voltages is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Call this equation as equation number 1. Now we substitute the values for individual voltages in equation number 1. Therefore, IR is equals to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Therefore, R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. With n number of resistors connected in series, Rn series is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. From this equation, we get that the equivalent resistances in series combination is algebraic sum of all the resistances connected in that combination. Now we see parallel connection. When two or more resistors are connected in parallel combination or some potential difference applied across it, then current flows through each resistance is different. For parallel combination, the voltage drop across each resistance are same. Hence, three resistors are said to be parallel combination. Here, three resistors are connected in parallel combination as shown in first picture, and second picture shows the three lamps are connected in parallel. Now we see equivalent resistance connected in parallel according to figure 1. According to Ohm's law, current flowing through any conductor is equals to voltage drop upon resistance across it. The current flowing through individual resistors are now calculated by this equation. I is equals to V upon R1, I2 is equals to V upon R2 and I3 is equals to V upon R3. The total current in the circuit is equals to I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Call this equation as equation number 2. Now we substitute the values of individual currents in equation number 2, which gives V upon R is equals to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. Therefore, 1 upon R is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. For n number of resistors connected in parallel is 1 upon Rn parallel is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 up to n number of resistors. From this equation, we get that the reciprocal of equivalent resistance in parallel combination is algebraic sum of reciprocal of individual resistances in that combination. Thank you.